In Kaappi, a function is a value like any other, so you can pass one around. Hand square to map, and it runs across the whole list at once. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Filter keeps the items that pass a test. Give it odd question mark and a list, and you get back only the odd ones. Iota makes a range, 0 through 9, and filtering that with even question mark leaves the even numbers, two small functions snapped together. Fold collapses a whole list to a single value. Start at 0, add each number in turn. 1 through 5 sums to 15. It's far more general than a sum. Fold with cons, starting from the empty list, and you've just reversed it. Sum, product, reverse, maximum, under the hood, they're all folds. Reduce is the same idea for a non-empty list when you don't need a separate starting value. Same 15. Functions can build functions. Adder takes an n and returns a new function that adds n. Add 10 is adder of 10, and it remembers that 10 for good. Give it 5, you get 15. That memory is called a closure. Now stack them up. Take 0 through 9, keep the evens, square each, and sum the lot. Read it inside out. Filter, then map, then fold. A whole data pipeline on one line. Map, filter, fold, and closures. Once these click, you stop writing loops and start describing what you want. And that's most of the fun of Scheme. Next time, the data structures to point them at. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.